Welcome friends. In the previous video I have shown you that how to set background image in JFrame. I have also added that we have to keep the dimension of image as per the size of JFrame. We can also set the resizable property of JFrame to false so that no one can change the size of the frame. However, if we will try to reset the size of image according to the size of container, then we can make a better JFrame with background image. So for this purpose I have decided to make a subclass of JPanel and customize it in such a way that whenever we resize the container, the image will also resize itself. So let us do it. Just let us import some important packages. AWT, then AWT.event package, then IO package, and image IO and swing. Let us create a subclass of JPanel and extends the JPanel with the two image member. Let us add a constructor here. First of all, we have to override the component listener and pass the object of component adapter anonymously, and override the method public void component resized. And now get the width of container with the help of getWidth method. And height. The getHeight method. Now if panel width is greater than 0 and panel height is greater than 0, then pass the constant as scale_smooth. Otherwise, image is equal to image fine. And then repaint the container. I'm sorry, the panel is image panel, so I have to change the constructor name my panel to image panel. And then repaint the container, repaint the panel. And after overriding, initialize the image object. Let us check by comparison that is there any error in this program. Actually, I have written the initialization outside the constructor. Now let us recompile and check that whether we have resolved the problem. This is the compilation successful. here we have initialized our data member with I and overridden add component listener method according to our need, that whenever the container is resized or size is changed, the image will also be changed accordingly from here. And then override the pin component method. Call the super.paint component method. Pass the graphics object G. Then if image is not equal to null, G.draw image 0 0 and null. Let us recompile and check whether there is any error. Everything is fine now. So now we can create our frame. Now we can create our frame class and use this image panel to add image in background. So let us try to do public class frame back stamps jframe and constructor of frame back. Create object of image and catch if there is any IO exception. Give a proper message if file is not found. Exit the application. Now let us create the object of image using image io.read method by passing the file object with correct path of the file. Hence we have created our image object. Now add image panel by passing the image object, and then set the size of your frame. True. Set default close operation. Now to test, I am going to add a main method. Create the object of frame back class and let us try to compile the program. So everything is fine, no compilation error. So let us test the program, and you can see that our JFrame is ready with image. If we will try to resize the frame, it will also resize the image accordingly. Doesn't matter what the size of container is, it will resize the image. So this is more better way to add image in the background of JFrame. So enjoy the frame with background image. Thank you very much.